Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello, car enthusiasts. Water stains on your car can be a real eyesore, but fear not. In this video, we're diving into effective methods to bid those stains farewell. Join us as we uncover practical and efficient ways to remove water stains, restore your car's shine, and leave it looking as good as new. Are water stains on your car's exterior ruining its appearance? Whether from rain, sprinklers, or other sources, water stains can be a nuisance. In this video, we'll explore effective methods to remove water stains from your car and restore its shine. Keep reading to discover simple and practical techniques to keep your vehicle looking its best. Understanding water stains. Water stains on your car can be a frustrating sight. Whether it's from rain, sprinklers, or other sources, understanding the different types of water stains and their potential damage can help you effectively address the issue. Types of water stains. Mineral deposits. These are caused by hard water containing minerals such as calcium and magnesium. When the water evaporates, these minerals remain on the surface, leaving behind white, chalky stains. Rainwater spots. Rainwater can contain pollutants and contaminants that, when left on the car's surface, can lead to water spots. These spots can be particularly stubborn if not addressed promptly. Industrial fallout. Airborne contaminants from industrial areas can settle on your car's surface during rain, leading to water stains that may contain corrosive substances. Potential damage. Water stains, if left untreated, can lead to more than just unsightly marks on your car. Over time, mineral deposits and pollutants can etch into the paintwork, causing lasting damage that requires professional intervention to fix. Additionally, the longer water stains remain, the more difficult they can be to remove, potentially leading to increased maintenance costs and a diminished overall appearance of your vehicle. Preparing to remove water stains, gather necessary supplies. Before embarking on the task of removing water stains from your car, it's essential to gather the necessary supplies. To effectively tackle this issue, you will need the following items: clean microfiber towels, pH-neutral car wash soap, bucket of water, car wax, polishing compound, soft bristled brush, clean water in a spray bottle, glass cleaner, leather cleaner, if applicable, vacuum cleaner. Pre-wash inspection. Before diving into the water stain removal process, it's important to conduct a pre-wash inspection of the affected areas. Look for any lingering dirt, debris, or other contaminants that may exacerbate the water stains. Assess the condition of the paint, glass, and any other materials to determine the most suitable approach for removal. This inspection will help you tailor your cleaning methods and products to the specific needs of your car, ensuring a more successful outcome. Methods for water stain removal. Vinegar solution. When it comes to removing water stains from your car, a simple and effective method involves using a vinegar solution. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply it directly onto the affected areas. Let the solution sit for a few minutes to break down the water stains, then wipe it off with a clean microfiber cloth. The acidic nature of vinegar helps to dissolve the mineral deposits, leaving your car's surface clean and spot-free. Baking soda paste. Another DIY solution for tackling water stains on your car is using a baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a small amount of water to create a thick paste. Apply the paste to the water-stained areas and gently rub it in using a soft cloth or sponge. Allow the paste to sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off with clean water. Baking soda's mild abrasive properties help to lift the water stains without damaging the car's paint or finish. Commercial water spot removers. For more stubborn water stains, commercial water spot removers can come to the rescue. These specially formulated products are designed to effectively dissolve and lift tough water spots from your car's surface. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best results, and always test the product on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility with your car's paint. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Clay bar treatment. When all else fails, a clay bar treatment can be used to remove persistent water stains. This method involves using a clay bar, lubricant spray, and plenty of patience. Gently glide the clay bar over the affected areas, working it in small sections at a time. The clay bar works by grabbing onto contaminants and lifting them away from the surface, leaving behind a smooth and clean finish. Remember to regularly fold the clay bar to expose a clean surface as you work to prevent recontaminating the paint. By employing these methods, you can effectively tackle water stains on your car and restore its shine, giving it a fresh and clean appearance. Application techniques using microfiber cloth. When it comes to removing water stains from your car, using a microfiber cloth is essential. This soft and gentle material is perfect for wiping down the affected areas without causing any scratches or damage to the paintwork. The tiny fibers in the cloth are excellent at absorbing water and lifting away the stains, making it an ideal tool for this task. Applying even pressure to effectively remove water stains, it's crucial to apply even pressure when using the microfiber cloth. By doing so, you ensure that the cloth makes consistent contact with the surface, allowing for the uniform removal of the stains. Applying even pressure also helps to prevent any streaking or patchy results, leaving your car with a clean and polished appearance. Post-treatment care: rinsing and drying. After successfully removing the water stains from your car, it's crucial to ensure that the surface is thoroughly rinsed and dried. Use a clean microfiber towel to gently dry the treated area, making sure there are no water spots left behind. This process will help to prevent any new water stains from forming and keep the surface looking clean and spotless. Applying wax or sealant to provide long-lasting protection against future water stains. Consider applying a high-quality car wax or sealant. These products act as a protective barrier, repelling water and preventing it from leaving stains on your car's surface. Apply the wax or sealant according to the manufacturer's instructions, and ensure that the entire treated area is adequately covered for maximum protection. By following these post-treatment care steps, you can effectively maintain the cleanliness and shine of your car, ensuring that water stains remain a thing of the past. In conclusion, removing water stains from your car can be a simple and straightforward process if approached with the right techniques and products. By using gentle yet effective methods such as vinegar, baking soda, or specialized car cleaning products, you can restore the appearance of your car and maintain its aesthetic appeal. Regular maintenance and immediate attention to water stains can prevent long-term damage and preserve the value of your vehicle. Implementing these strategies will help you achieve a spotless car exterior, enhancing its overall visual app. Thanks for joining us as we explored effective techniques to remove water stains from your car. With these tips, you're equipped to tackle those pesky blemishes and keep your car looking pristine. Stay tuned for more car care insights and tips. Remember, a little care goes a long way in maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Drive safe and keep your car sparkling. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.